Hey guys, this is Prakash and welcome to Kick Out Chaos. So in this video I'll share my experience with this Boltt Mercury which I have been using for a couple of days, and I'll discuss about all the pros and cons of it, and I'll give my final verdict at the end. I bought this watch from Flipkart at 2,999 rupees. So let's get started. So we'll start this video in a traditional way by unboxing. So switch the cam. So this is the box you're going to get for this Boltt Mercury watch. So this is a picture of the watch. You have the 1.7-inch HD display mentioned here, and some of the features mentioned here like body temperature monitoring, Spo2 blood oxygen monitoring, and on the sides you have other features mentioned like the remote camera, 8 days of battery life, metal body, 9.2 mm ultra thin body, 1.7-inch HD display, multi-sports mode, smart notifications, multiple watch faces, sleep monitoring, and body temperature monitoring to track Spo2, dynamic heart rate. Now let's open this and see what we get inside. Okay, so this is the Boltt Mercury, and let's see what we get else in this box. This is the hot sponge to ensure the safety of this watch. Okay, so this is a magnetic poker pin for this watch. You can charge this watch using this wire. This must be the user manual. Anyways, nobody reads this. Let's keep it aside. And along with this watch, you're also going to get much more stuff. So the first one is for the Ghana Music app subscription for 3 months. You just have to scan this code and you will get the subscription. And the second one is for free Z5 premium subscription for a month. And this is a new one. Congratulations, you have won the exclusive Boltt Play app membership. Okay, and this must be the warranty card. Now let's keep everything aside and have a closer look at the watch. So this is the Boltt Mercury watch. Let's open this strap. See the back. So the logo is mentioned here. The logo and the name is mentioned here. This must be the heart rate sensor, and the circular metallic silver round thing is responsible for the body temperature monitoring. So these are the charging pins. Okay, the straps are also removable, so that's great. You can change according to your choice. Let's switch this on. So this watch has full metal body which has a premium look at this price range. This is the customized wallpaper by me. This is not a watch face you get from this watch. You can see here the watch is very slim, and the elevation for the heart rate sensor is also very low. So this must be very comfortable to wear throughout the day. Now let's have a closer look at the watch UI. This is a very traditional UI like any other watch. Here you have the quick toggle settings like D&D mode, theater mode, flashlight, and the brightness setting here. You can see, okay, and the settings button, and this is for the weather notification. When dragged to the right, you will be getting all the other options here, starting from steps, sleep, measure HR in the sense it's heart rate monitoring, and training. Now let's get into training and see what we get. In training, we get a total of 7 exercises from walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, and football. That's all, only 7. They could have included another 7 and made it a total of 14. So this is the temperature option for reading the human body temperature, and it's Spo2, oxygen monitoring, weather, messages, shutter. This is the camera remote application, and this is the music player. For this you have to connect to your phone. This is a breathing exercises, stopwatch, alarm. Okay. An alarm you can't set it from the watch. For that you have to use your phone. Countdown, flashlight, and others. Let's see what we have in others. Theater, dial switch, reset option, power off, QR code, and about. So that's all about here. Let's drag to the left. Okay, you'll be getting the quick toggle settings for those. This is step tracker, sleep tracker, and the heart rate monitor, temperature reading. Okay. Next, this is for oxygen monitoring, and this is for weather notifications. For that you have to connect to your phone. when you drag to the up, this is the notification center. You can see it here. Let's go back to the home page, and that's all about the watch UI. Okay, now let's see how to connect this watch to your phone. For that, you have to open the Play Store, and you have to install the app Fit. I have already installed this. I'm going to open this app. So this is the interface of the application. Very clean interface. Everything is divided into categories here, like the steps, sleep, outdoor running. As you can see here, outdoor running, steps, sleep, and etc. So you have to go in here and click on add a device. Yes, give permission to switch on the Bluetooth. I'm searching for the watch. Okay, now search for the device, and the device name is showing here. The model name is BSW006. Click on it. That's all. The phone is connected to the watch. Okay, it got connected. Now this is the watch faces. You can click on this, and when you click on edit, select picture. So here you can select the custom wallpaper for your watch. That's the best part for this watch. And these are the other wallpapers here available here. To get more wallpapers, just click on more watch faces. So these are all the other watch faces. Now let's come back, and this is for your profile, and this is for notifications. You can grant permission for notifications for desired apps. This is for camera shutter. Now let's test this works or not, and clicking on this. Yes, it's working. Okay, now let's come back. Others. Now let's what we get. Find device, time formats, unit system, do not disturb, reminders to move, hand is heart rate detection. Let's switch that on. Hand is temperature detection. Okay. This okay. This is a quick view, and that's all. Other things are very common. Okay, you can even update the watch here. The firmware is the latest version, so there is no software to update. And that's all about this application. It's very simple and easy to understand with a simple UI. First, talking about the screen, this watch comes with a 1.7 inch or a 45mm LCD screen. The screen is big enough, but in outdoor conditions, the brightness is not at all good. In direct sunlight, the visibility is very low, but in indoor conditions, it's very great. This watch is also very comfortable to wear throughout the day, and it's also very slim. But talking about the weight, it's slightly on the heavy side, around 49 to 50 grams. So you need some time to get used to this. Other than this, the watch has all the common features like the oxygen monitoring, temperature monitoring, and multiple watch faces, multiple sports modes. And the best part is you can customize the watch faces according to your choice. Along with this, you will also be getting all the traditional features like heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, camera remote control, and a music player. Keep in mind, you can't store any songs on this watch. It's just a player. It plays songs from your phone, and you can't adjust volume of the song from this watch. For that, you have to use your phone. Okay, enough theory. Now let's see how these things work practically. Now let's check if this raise to wake function really works or not. Yep. Let's check this again. Okay. No. Yes. Okay. It's working fine. So for testing the accuracy, I'm going to start with the body temperature monitoring as it was highlighted on the box. I'm going to start with that. For that, you have to drag to the right and tie up this one. So just click on this. Now it's calculating my temperature. So the surface temperature is 91.7 degree Fahrenheit and the body temperature is 97.3 Fahrenheit. Let's check the accuracy of this with a digital thermometer. So 90.1, this is the result I got from a digital thermometer, and the result from my watch is 97.3. There is a minor difference. Now let's check the oxygen monitoring of this watch. So I'm clicking on this and let's switch this on. The oximeter showing as 98, you can see it here. Okay, now let's check in the watch. It's still calculating. Yep, in the watch it's showing at 97 and the oximeter is showing as 98. As you saw before, the results were not that bad as I expected. So this is a good choice for 3000 rupees in my opinion. Coming to the pros and cons of this watch has all the required features along with the body temperature monitoring, which is not a common feature at this price range. And it has all the required features like remote camera control and music player, multiple sports modes, watch faces, etc. And coming to the cons, there's only one drawback for this watch, and that's the brightness levels for this LCD screen, which makes it very difficult to use in outdoor conditions. And there's one thing I forgot to mention, this watch has a IP67 certified water resistance, but they could have given IP68. If you don't know what IP67 is, I'll tell you now. Generally, I think you know about IP68. The device will be fine at 1.5 meter in water for half an hour. IP67 is the device will be fine till 1 meter for half an hour in water. That's all. The final verdict about this watch in my opinion is very positive. This watch comes with all the required features along with the body temperature monitoring feature, which is a very useful feature at times like this. And as you know, sometimes you have to compromise in a few things to get the other required things, like the low brightness of this screen, which makes it very hard to use in outdoor conditions. Overall, this watch is a very great choice at this price range with all the required features. So this is a great package at this price point. If you feel like you got all the information about this watch, like the video and a subscribe would be great. If you have any query regarding the watch, don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section and I'll definitely respond. And this is Prakash signing off and bye.